I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to receive money directly onto your Visa card, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Check Visa compatibility. Make sure your Visa card is eligible to receive funds. Not all Visa cards can accept money transfers. Step 2. Choose a payment service. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the shark.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Link your Visa card. In a payment service app, navigate to the settings and link your Visa card. You may need to verify your identity or card details. Step 4. Provide your details. Share your Visa card information with the sender or input it into the payment service to receive funds. Ensure you double-check the card number. Step 5. Confirm receipt. Once the transfer is initiated, check your card balance or the payment service app to confirm the funds have arrived. It may take a few minutes. Sometimes transfers can take longer than expected, especially if the sender is using a different bank. Just keep an eye on your app for updates. I hope this helps you receive money easily on your Visa card. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.